How to convert YouTube video to MP3. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to convert YouTube video to MP3. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First and foremost thing, make sure you install YouTube Studio. And once you launch the application, you need to select content section and find the video you want to convert to MP3. Then you have to download that video, and after that you need to simply launch File Manager on your device or simply Files app on your device. Now from the files you have to locate the video. So you can tap internal storage at bottom left corner and simply choose movies. So the saved video will be mainly saved on the movies folder. It might be different for you. And after that you need to choose the video and then tap three dots for that video. Now tap rename option and you have to simply make this MP4 to MP3 and tap on OK button. Tap rename and you can easily see that the file has been renamed, and when you open the video you can see it as the audio. So in this way you can successfully convert YouTube video to MP3 in whether Android or iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.